Feasibility analysis is a project type within SimForm, allowing you to gain insight into the manufacturability of a plastic part. As a CAD designer, all you need is the CAD file of the part to pinpoint the areas that will be difficult to cool and that are driving the cycle time. Knowing this earlier in the process allows you to refine your design before onboarding manufacturing suppliers. Here, we upload a simple design of a mouse shell. In this design, 2 screw posts were chosen to secure the shell to the base, while ribs around the periphery were chosen to fit over ribs on the base to prevent twisting. In SimForm, we select P20 steel for our mold material and ABS for our plastic resin, and immediately we can launch the simulation. SimForm runs fast in the cloud, providing you results within minutes. We get an overall cooling time estimate of 6 to 7 seconds, and we see from the freeze time results view that the screw posts and the spaces enclosed by the ribs are driving that cooling time. There is room for improvement, so we redesign the mouse shell and upload a second version of the CAD. Here, a lip is introduced around the edge of the shell with a single screw post and clip to secure it to the base. The clip introduces an undercut, so we know that the mold actions will be more complex. So let's see if there are benefits from the cooling perspective. We get a lower cooling time estimate of 5 seconds. The screw post is the main driver, so we know that will need to be addressed using a thermal pin or higher conductivity insert. Doing so could reduce the cycle time by another second. Comparing the freeze time results between designs, we see that our improved design does in fact cool faster with more uniform surface temperatures. In either case, we will have to consider whether the screw post requires special cooling. With only a few clicks, we've used SimForm Feasibility to improve the manufacturability of our design, saving on the future back and forth with suppliers.